Hey guys, I'm Kushu. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. I've been kinda not consistent this Jan, but then don't worry, your girl is back with a lot of good content. So you'll be seeing a lot of really different content from now on. So please stay tuned and also follow me on my Instagram to kinda get a lot of updates on what actually is going on. So yeah, follow me there. New year, new likes. So I'm gonna share with you guys the first ever monthly favorites video of 2019. So it's going to be January favorites of mine. So yeah, without any further ado, let's begin the video. So I have completely random stuff with me. So to begin with, I have here is the annual planner by Alicia. This is beautiful. I am super happy buying this one. It has a lot of stickers. It is super cute. Okay, I have written my name so badly. Excuse that. But apart from that, it's really nice. I'm gonna skip this all. You have stickers here. And it's so good. This is so beautiful and she has put a lot of different stuff in here. So I've been planning my days really well after this one. This is kind of a lifesaver for me. I have it all the time in my bag. So this is the first favorite of January. Second favorite is also something kind of a random stuff, but it is super tasty. So I have here is this Euphoria Brownies, and first of all, I don't really like brownies a lot. Brownies I've tried so far are super hard, like they're not super soft, and they were hard, and I didn't really like the chocolatey taste that much. But trust me, after I tried this one, when I was trying for the first time, I was not really sure if I'll be able to even complete little bit the box, that one. But trust me, I ate almost like 2 to 3 pieces, and then from then I've been completing boxes. They actually are made in Sainikpuri in Hyderabad, and they don't really have any particular store where you can get all this stuff, but they actually cater to different restaurants or different cafes nearby. So one is in Kondapur. The other one is maybe in Jubilee, I'm not really sure. I'll put all the links in the description so you can go check it out if you want. So these brownies are available in 3 flavors. One is classic, which is a normal basic brownie. The second one is a walnut, and the third one is coffee. I've never tried coffee, and I won't be because I hate coffee. But trust me, it's so beautiful. So I am just left with the one right now. And one more thing, the packaging is so beautiful. So you get it in 250 grams, 500 grams, and also I think in 1 kg, but I'm not really sure. I've never bought 1 kg stuff. So this one cost you around 400. I am not sure how much the 250 grams one costs for. And the classic is the basic one. The walnut is a little pricey, and the coffee I think is a little bit pricey again compared to the classic one, but the classic ones are the best. Third favorite of mine for the January month is this one over here. It's a Logitech small portable speaker. This is a Bluetooth one, and it is so nice. Super it's so clear. I really love this one. I've been using it almost like every day. I got this for my nanny, and I use it more than my nanny do. So yeah, this is so good. All the prices for the products and the links of the products I'm mentioning here will be there in the description box, so you can go check it out there. The fourth favorite of mine is this one. It's a wow activated charcoal peel off mask. It's so nice. I have actually did a review on this one, and after that in January I've used it like so many times, and it clears my pores like really well. So yeah, this is a must. The fifth one in my favorites list is this Be Blunt Repair Remedy Leave-In Cream. This is for the damaged hair basically. It has arganile and keratin. So if you guys have been following me around, then you guys know that I have done straightening, permanent straightening or smoothing or rebonding, whatever you call it. So I've done that for my hair almost like 9 times now, and my hair is like really damaged a lot. And this is kind of an original texture. I haven't done anything to my hair like curling and stuff. So this is the natural pattern of my hair. So I have chopped off the straight hair I had, and then I kept growing my hair. Now that I have my curls back, it's super hard for me to maintain them because the maintenance has been really well there, and I almost forgot how to maintain a curly hair. So this one helped me a lot to get like a really good texture. I'm actually planning to do a video on my curls and how I take care of them now. I think you guys should know because I've been doing a lot of things. My grandmom's recipes worked a lot. So yeah, I will tell you guys about that. Maybe I will be doing a video soon. The sixth one in my favorite list is this laptop sleeve of mine from Amazon. It is so nice, and I actually thought the color won't be that well, but then trust me, it's really nice. I actually got the keyboard protector as well the bottom case, the front case, and also a protector for the touchpad as well. And also there are like few protectors over here for the audio jack over here, and also the USB. So it's a best one I can ever get, and they're so good. The next favorite of mine is this one. This is a pure coconut oil. It's a virgin coconut oil. And if I'm saying it's a pure, it's 100% pure because I actually got these coconuts, dried them up, and went to a place where I can get some oil out of it, and I got this oil with the pure coconuts, guys, like pure coconuts. They smell amazing. If you put 1 kg in that machine, and you will get almost a half kg of oil, and that's really nice. It's a virgin coconut oil, and I think it just charges you around 10-20 rupees for getting the oil for you. So yeah, it's a beautiful one. Don't really buy any oil. It has a lot of mixings done. If you want, you can actually mix. I have another grandmom's recipe of this one, which I'm gonna share when I'm doing this hair video, because I have a really good one, so you shouldn't be missing out that one. So if you want to get these kind of things done, I will maybe put the address where I got this from in Kukatpally. So you can actually go search any places nearby where they have this oil extracting machine, then you can actually check that out. The last favorite of mine for this month January are these sugar nail liquors. They are so good. I mean, I couldn't get these kind of really nice pastel colors for cheaper rates, and also they stay really well. The quantity and the quality is really nice for the price. I love them. I have been using them a lot. So yeah, both of them made it to my January favorites list. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you like it. These are my favorites of January 2019. I hope you like this video. If you did, like, share and subscribe and all that good stuff. And also comment below if you have any video suggestions. I am getting with new content. So yeah, wait for it. I have a lot of skincare things coming up. So subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that you get notified and you don't miss any video of mine. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.